day, everyone. I'm SANRIAH SAHILAN.
And I'm Michaela, Julve.
And today, we will be teaching you how to solve
different types of solution concentrations.
Yes. The first solution in concentration that we will be solving is the percent by mass. So we have here an example. A solution is prepared by dissolving 20 grams of NaCl in 90 grams of water. Calculate the percent by mass. So we have here the formula. Percent by mass is equal to mass of solute over mass of solution times 100. When we start solving, we should first identify what is the solute and what is the solution. This example, the given are solute 20 grams of NaCl and solvent 90 grams of water. So the first thing that we will be doing is to add the solute and solvent, since solute and solvent is equals to solution. So 20 grams of NaCl plus 90 grams of water is equal to 110 grams. So after solving this, now we can proceed in solving the formula of percent by mass. Percent by mass is equal to 20 grams over 110 grams times 100% is equal to 18.2%. 18.2% is the final answer for the given problem. The next solution that we will be solving is the percent by volume. So we have here an example. A solution contains 70 ml of ethanol mixed 200 ml of water. Determine the percent by volume of ethanol in the solution. So we have here the formula. Percent by volume is equal to volume of solute over total volume of the solution times 100. So we have here the given solute 70 ml, solvent 200 ml. So just like earlier, we add the 70 ml plus 200 ml since solute plus solvent is equal to solution. So 70 ml plus 200 ml is equal to 270 ml. So this is now the solution. So percent V volume is equal to 70 ml the solute over 270 ml times 100% is equal to 26%. Now this is the final answer for the given problem. The next solution in concentration that we will be solving is the molarity. So we have here again an example. What is the molarity of 0.4 mole of NaCl in 500 ml of solution? So we have the formula. M is equal to moles of solute over volume of solution. So we have here the solute 0.40 mole, then solution 500 ml. So before we proceed, we should first change the ml into liter. So 500 ml divided by 1000 is equal to 0.5 liter. So now we can now proceed in solving the molarity. M is equal to 0.40 and 0.5 is equal to 0.8 m or molarity.
The next problem is about molality.
The given problem is 128 grams of KBr is dissolved in 925 grams of water. What is the molality of the KBr in solution? So, the given is 128 grams of KBr and the solvent is 925 grams of water. The first step is to convert 128 grams of KBr. It is equals to 1.08 mole, and then the solvent, we will also convert it into kilograms. We will just divide it to 1,000, and it is equals to 0.925 kilogram. Now, we have the formula for molality. M is equals to moles of solute over mass of solvent in kilograms. M is equals to 1.08 mole over the mass of solvent, which is 0.925 kilograms, will result to 1.16 m. And this is the final answer for the given problem. Problem for mole fraction. Calculate the mole fraction of each component of a solution containing 50 grams of ethanol in 300 grams of water. Mass ethanol is equals to 65 grams. The G mole of ethanol is 46 G mole, and mass water is 300 grams molar mass. The G mole of water is 18 G mole. First, we will divide ethanol. We will divide the 50 grams over the G mole of ethanol, which is the 46, result to 1.087 mole. And then for the water, we will divide the 300 grams to its G mole, which is the 18 G mole, equals to 16.67 mole. We will divide the 1.087 mole to 1.8087 and plus 16.67. Solution for water equals to 0.061 mole. And then for water, we'll have 16.67 over itself, 16.67 plus 1.087, which is the ethanol, equals to 0.939 mole. And the last step is to add the total. 0.061 plus 0.939 is equals to 1. So this is the last type of concentration solution, which is the parts per million. This is the given problem. 50 grams of sodium chloride is dissolved in 110 grams of water. What is the concentration of the sodium in parts per million, or ppm? So the given solute is 50 grams of NaCl, or sodium chloride. Then the solvent is 110 grams of water. The solution, we will just add the 50 plus 110 grams of water is equals to 125 grams. For the formula, ppm is equals to mass solute over mass of solution times 10 to the power of 6. Now for the solution, ppm is equals to mass of solute, which is the 50 grams of sodium chloride, and the solution, which is the 125 grams, times 10 to the power of 6 is equals to is equals to 312,500. So this is the final answer for the last problem, which is the parts per million.
I hope you learned something. Thank you!